Hello, hello, hello. This is the before. I'm getting ready to attempt to silk press my hair. I'll be using Chi products as well as Mielle and Camille Rose as far as conditioning goes. I have some heat protectant, a diamond brush. Look at this. My ends are so bad from when I comb my locks out. I had an appointment to get it done today. They canceled on me, so here we go. My friends, is what you call shrinkage. And actually it's a little elongated because I have a conditioner. So here we are. Decided to go ahead and go with the flat iron. See how bad my ends are. So I'm thinking about right there, maybe even up here. But enough for our bun. So here we have it. I got it cut at Great Clips, which was not too bad. And it's already starting to shrink back up because the humidity is real, but it feels so much softer and better on the ends. Like it's not rough or anything, but happy with the cut. I'll probably start wearing it curly again next week and then we'll go from there. But all good here.